Guys, what's up? Today I'm with another unboxing video. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, or if you have any queries about the video, please comment down below. Here we have a lid, foam type, and some paper box inside the box. I'm doing an unboxing of G-Shock GA700-4A model number 5522. It's a popular G-Shock watch unboxing, and it is a limited edition watch. If you're wondering there where's the cardboard box of the box, frankly speaking, I've thrown it away because too much cardboard papers, it's messing in the house away, so I threw it. Here we have some warranty card, and the bill. First I have to show the bill. I've got it for 6036 G-Shock GA700-4A DR G-Shock. So I have an international warranty manual. Keeping side. Here we have an international warranty card. Sorry, Indian warranty card. We have an international warranty card and a thick manual. It's a paper. Warranty terms and conditions for Indian warranty card, I believe. Yes, it is. Like warranty manual small, and here we have a manual. It has 20 languages in it about the watch, how to use it, how to operate the watch. Casio model number 5522, and here we have the watch. It's very hard to use one hand in unboxing. Here we have the watch. It's a pretty gorgeous watch. And timer, world time, that's a Denmark. DNMARK. Denmark, sorry, Denmark. Mexico. Don't have any idea what city is that. New York City. It has like 42 cities, 29 states, world time. Alarm, snooze alarm, signal, alarm 1, alarm 2, alarm 3, and alarm 4. Here have stopwatch. It has only SPL, and it is a cool feature called target time. Here you have a 1 minute target. Let's do that. Let's go to time. Here is a cool feature. Press the D button or start. We go to stopwatch. Time. If we want to see the city in which we are staying in, Delhi, by clicking the access button, then Saturday 9:22. It's date and day. And there is a cool feature in this watch. If you were quite hard to see the digital, you just press the light button and the mode button, and it will just go in a side. The hand will go in a side, and if you again want to see the analog ones, press the light button or the mode button. Timer go in its own, and then if you want to go directly to the settle time, home time, just press for 2 minutes 2 seconds and it will come to its home time. It's a pretty cool watch.